Freddy the Frog. Illustrated by Axel Scheffler. Freddy's a frog with goggly eyes. He's small and fat and loves catching flies. Right here. Yep. Okay.
I like to.
He leaps and jumps and has a good time squelching about in the muddy green slime. His friends join in. They have a big race, bouncing about all over the place. Then Freddy stops to take a short nap, paddling his feet, flippity-flap.
This right here.
And when the stars come out and the moon is bright, what Freddy loves best is to croak through the night. The end.
Please subscribe. Night night.
Thanks for watching.
Night.